Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackanons YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to keep gap between items placed in a flex box. So let's get started. So first things first, let's have a brief description of how the code is working currently. So I've created a simple HTML file in which I've created the two styles for my two elements. That is, one is a div of a class box, and that is the parent element, and within that there's a child element of a div of class items, and I've simply done some styling with it. For the box, I've put a small border so we can understand where the exact box is displayed on the website, and I've specified certain width, and as you can see the display is a flex, and there's just justify content of center and align items of center, and because of which the child item is present in the center, since I've placed in a div property to be that the center of the parent element. And then the styling for the child element, that is dot item class, has simply a background of blue and width 40 pixels and a height of 50%. Now when you look at this image, you can only see a single image present over here. So you would think there's just a single div, but that's wrong. As you can see in our code, we have placed two divs. So basically we want to gap and keep some distance between these two div elements. Currently they are just stuck to each other. And just to clarify that, let me put a border so you guys can understand it better. So I'll put a 2 pixels border of solid black so that you can understand it visually. And as you can see, now you can see that the two div elements are just stuck to each other, and we will see how to put a gap between them. So basically there is a property called as gap of the CSS Flex Box. There are very few people who know about this and do not make use of this advantage. So basically we have a property of gap, and with this gap you can decide how much distance can be present between two items. So let me put a gap of 1 relative m unit, and as you can see, now we simply have some gap present between the two div elements. Likewise, if I keep on copying and pasting some div inside the parent class, as you can see, the divs now have certain gap between them. So that's it from this really quick video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the Hackanons YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.